Hello, this is Krishna. Today I'm going to talk about the FMS game code. So at first, as you can see, we have declared all the variables which we were used in our code over here. This is the preload function, which is used to load all the external files and help in avoiding delays while loading our code. So here we declared multiple variables, assigning them to load functions. We have all of our images, background music, and also the positive and negative feedback sounds declared over here. Moving on to the function setup. Under the function setup, we have our buttons, their positions and styles with colors, and also the coordinates for canvas and the size of the canvas is declared here. Here we have the draw and draw page function. Under the draw page function, we have the code for individual pages of our game, and under the individual pages we have the images which are required under each page, and the background music declared under specific pages under the draw page function. Here you have the function key typed, where we have the code for the type letters game, which I'll be coming back in a while. As you can see, we have created multiple separate functions for our start button click, quit button, and the back button, so that it would be very easy for the user to read the code and would be very easy to debug if there were any bugs while compiling the code. So that's about our first game. Now I'll be explaining you about the code which I have written, that is the type letters. Under the function key type, the function key type is used to take the user input through keyboard. For this, I have used an if-else statement. The function first checks the key pressed is a letter from A to Z, sorry, and it converts it to lowercase and gets its Unicode value. After that, it checks whether the value matches the target key code using the generate new target key code function. If the value matches the target key code, the user gets the scores incremented and a positive feedback sound is played. Else, if the user gets a wrong one, a wrong sound is played with a negative feedback. After the user reaches a certain limit of the score, which is 10, the loop gets ended because the loop gets ended. As there is a no loop over here. And for the second level, it's the same. Instead of letters, we have declared words.